Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already opened both workbooks. Good. First, convert sheet data to tables or create named ranges so links won't break when rows move. Make sure the source workbook is saved with a clear name. Once done, note whether you need relative or absolute addresses because that choice controls how copied formulas behave. Now, select the exact cell or table column you'll link from. Do this early. It prevents reference errors later and keeps your links predictable and robust. Next, build the actual link formula in the destination workbook. Type equals, then click the source workbook cell, which creates an external reference. If you use tables, reference the table column for clarity. Once done, lock parts with $ if needed, or use indirect when you must change file names dynamically, but note indirect doesn't work with closed workbooks. Make sure to test by changing a source value. Use evaluate formula to trace steps, and confirm Excel reads the link exactly as you intended. To finish, save both workbooks and choose how Excel updates links, automatic or manual, in the data settings. Then refresh links via data right arrow edit links right arrow update values and confirm destination cells reflect source changes. Make sure to use consistent file paths if you move files. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. If links show #ref or won't update, relink by using edit links to point to the correct workbook or repair named ranges in Name Manager. That usually restores the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.